Hello everyone, welcome back. So in the last video we have seen that we have created our Angular application from the scratch, and yeah, I have explained regarding the folder structure of the Angular-17, what does the folder contain and what the file contain, what is the useful of that particular file or folder in our Angular-17. So in in this video we are going to see how to install the Tailwind CSS in our Angular application, and why and how we are going to use that, and how to customize some classes to for the Tailwind classes. So why we need the Tailwind classes to speed development, because we can write our own CSS also, but if we are going with the Tailwind CSS, it is predefined classes we can use directly, and we can develop our application faster. So let's start. So you can go to directly the tailwindcss.com. so you can see I'll give this link in the description. Once you go to the docs file, you can go to the framework guide. We have multiple options, multiple framework. Tailwind is giving support to multiple framework. Any of the framework you can choose and you can install, but as of now we are going with the Angular because we are focusing on the Angular. So click on that Angular. So first to create your project, we have already done this first step, then directly we will jump to the second step, install Tailwind CSS. So we'll copy this command, we'll go to our project and we'll open the terminal. Just you will hit this command and we'll wait for the installation. It will download some of the file related to this particular, and it will install inside the node modules. So next, npx tailwind in init. So it will create one file, tailwind file, yeah, tailwind.config.js. it will create once you hit that command. Next configure your template paths. So whatever you are seeing in the this highlighted part, just you copy that part and paste it inside the content. Why? Because we are giving the path where to apply the particular CSS, Tailwind CSS. So inside this HTML and TS file we are targeting. So that is the purpose we are giving this. We'll save this. The next, yeah, then saying add the Tailwind directive to your CSS. So we'll copy this file, and it is saying to add in the style dot. If you are using SCSS, paste it there. If you are using CSS, paste it there. So in our application you are going to use the SCSS, because while creating the project you have selected the SCSS. So we will paste here and we'll save. Next we will go. So after that they are saying to just run the application and check, and we will copy this file to verify whether Tailwind classes are successfully applying or not. So we just copied. Now we will run our project ng-serve. So again nvm list, I need to select the particular version, node version 20.3.0. ng-serve. For this I will come up with the different solution. Now as of now I am just writing that. So our application is running 4200. So simply we'll go 00, localhost 4200. yeah, as of now the component is loading, test component what we discussed in the last video. So we'll go inside that. We'll write what I have copy pasted from Tailwind. What they have suggested, that just for checking whether our Tailwind classes is successfully applying or not. So I pasted and I will save and I will just check. Yeah, it is applying. So so successfully we have installed the tailwind classes, tailwind library in our Angular application. So this is the main file of the tailwind. Once you install, this file will create the, when you put the second command in init, then this file will create it. Inside this we can write our own theme, our own plugin. If you are using any tailwind based library, you have to give the path here. And if you want to give your own color and everything, you can assign everything here. It will be customizable based on your project or based on your demand. So let's start. So slowly we'll just for quickly we'll see this what. So tailwind already they are applying some components, free components, predefined components directly you can use on our projects. Suppose this space section, if you'll open this, if you'll go to the code and just you can copy this code and simply will paste in our, just for trial purpose I am showing, and we'll save. It will reflect the same thing, whatever it is there, it is visible in the hero section, same thing it will reflect in here, because our tailwind is working properly. So this is the thing, this is the thing we can verify, cross verify whether it is working or not. So it is working. So some of the components they have free, some of the components they have made as paid. So we'll avoid that and we'll start some for exploring the classes. So why we need that tailwind and why how the tailwind classes, because they have already declared a lot of classes and predefined classes. So those things will little bit we will explore, and in this single video I can't explore all the classes, you have to explore your own. If you need any help you can comment, I will be ready to help. Yeah, so some of the classes is there, you can go one by one, how to the layout, how to the flex and flexbox and grids work, how the size, how the spacing, everything is clearly mentioned. If w hyphen 0, if you are applying the width will be the 0 pixel, if px you are applying the 1 pixel, you will be applying with w-05, then width will be the 0.1. This all thing we can customize our by own based on our demand. This all are declared from the tailwind. If you want to customize your own, then you can also do your own. Okay, so for the customization your own, this is the file how you can customize our own. Suppose some of the project they have their only 4 color or 5 color, few of the color, so directly you can write all the colors inside the color. If you want the font family, directly declare the font family, what font family you want, extend spacing, how much you spacing you need, border radius how much, if you will apply that border radius how much you want. So this all thing it depends upon you, you can customize. So just I will copy this, yeah, and I'll paste in our config.json. So inside the theme only we have to paste, instead of theme you're nothing using, just you paste it. Yeah, it's error coming because comma is missing, so if you put, it will work now. So as of now we are applied blue, purple, pink color, so this color will come automatically in the while writing the code. Suppose I want to give busy color here, background, busy means background. So whatever the color you have declared in the config file, see here, blue, purple, pink, orange, all the option will come. Busy, blue, purple, pink, orange, green, yellow, the same whatever you will choose, it will reflect based on that. So why this is coming? So before that I will suggest you to install the tailwind Tailwind extension. Yeah, Tailwind extension CSS I have already installed. You better if you install this all the classes hint, it will come automatically and it will easy to develop for you. Okay, so like this you can customize your class based on your requirement, color, font family, extend spacing, and screen. Lot of things you can do, a lot of customization based on your requirement you can do here. No other problem, we can easily maintain the things. So yeah, this is the thing, how to install. And I'll suggest, if you want to make development fast, we can go this site tailblocks.cc. Here we have already predefined classes. Simply just copy paste the code and based on your put your content what you need, and we can boost, means you can make your development more faster. And no need to paste blindly, you have to understand the code also. So here easily it is understandable, because if you already work with the bootstrap, and this it is similar to the bootstrap only, but the few of the classes name is changed. But if one keep on working on the same thing, if it's easy to remember. So text small, sm small, it will come. If you give lg, you can check how many options they are coming. Text lg you can give, text xl you can give. Based on that it will take that, and you can declare this lg xl in your config file also. If lg you are putting, then how much 2 rem should be there. Of xl you are putting, then 4 rem should be there. So based on your requirement you can show. So that's all in this video. So next I'll explain more about the Angular. Thank you guys.